Hello, today's video will be slightly different. While I normally make Unreal Engine content, today we'll be discussing Unity's recent changes to its pricing model and why this may lead developers to consider other game engines like Unreal. Unity, for those who may not be familiar, is a widely used game engine and a direct competitor to Unreal Engine. It has a large user base and many popular games have been created using Unity, such as Fall Guys, Among Us, and more. However, Unity recently rolled out a new pricing system that has caught the attention of the game developer community. Under Unity's new pricing model, developers are required to pay a fee per install for games that they've created using Unity. The fee applies whether the game is offered for free or for purchase. For each download of a game developed with Unity, developers will owe Unity a fee of 20 cents per install. It's crucial to note that this fee only applies once a game surpasses 200,000 lifetime sales and has earned over $200,000 in the last 12 months. This pricing structure has raised eyebrows and sparked discussions in the game development community. The effects of these changes will take place from January the 1st, 2024. One of the main devs who made Among Us posted this. He did the maths, and considering Unity's fee, it may be cheaper to actually port their game to a different game engine. Also, another Unity developer, known as Danny, he currently has 2 free-to-play games available on Steam with a combined total of over 28 million installs. When you calculate the 20 cent per install fee, it adds up to over $5 million in royalties owed to Unity under their new pricing model. This may force him to upload again. So right now, the introduction of Unity's new pricing model has generated significant backlash and concerns among Unity users. Many developers are now considering switching to other game engines like Unreal Engine, Unity's primary competitor. Let's go into some of the reasons why Unreal Engine has become a very attractive option for game developers in light of these changes. Unreal Engine's pricing model. Compared to Unity, all versions of Unreal Engine are completely free to download and use for anyone. The engine does have a royalty-based pricing model where developers are required to pay only a 5% royalty on revenue earned after the first $1 million, so you only have to pay the royalty if you've earned over $1 million with your game. This means that developers can use Unreal Engine without any upfront costs, and they only pay a percentage of their revenue once they've started generating substantial income. And as a bonus, if you release your game on the Epic Game Store, you won't even have to pay this 5% royalty. Also, Unreal Engine actively supports their developers by providing 5 free high-quality asset packs every month, which can be used for commercial and non-commercial projects. Also, you can get developer grants. Epic Games operates a grants program which supports developers working on innovative projects. Developers can apply for Epic Mega Grants to receive financial support and additional resources for their game development endeavors. And if you're considering switching to Unreal Engine, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I have a bunch of free Unreal Engine tutorial videos, and also make sure to check out my free Unreal Engine beginner course. It will get you set up with all the basics of Unreal Engine. I'll put it somewhere on the screen now, and it'll also be the top link in the description of this video. Overall, the recent changes in Unity's pricing model have sparked significant discussion and concerns within the game development community. Unity's decision to charge developers per install, even for free-to-play games, has led many to explore alternative options, with Unreal Engine as an emerging compelling choice. While Unity has been a prominent player in the game development market, these changes may lead to a shift in the industry landscape, with more developers exploring other game engines like Unreal and Godot as a more viable and cost-effective alternative. As the game development community adapts to these changes, it's crucial for developers to evaluate their engine choices carefully. Consider not only their immediate needs, but also for the long-term sustainability of their project. Whether you're an experienced developer or just starting out your game dev journey, the options available to you are more diverse and promising than ever. So, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!